Hello YouTube, I'm Fcpx from YouTube and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get this faded kind of look in the shadows, or you call it the gray shadows. Many people have a problem in finding the name. What is this called? And when they try to do it, it does not look the same because they either get white shadows, that is like, making it unsaturated, or there's something wrong. But today we are going to do it the right way. So I'm going to show you a few examples what this looks like. So this effect works the best in areas where you have shadows. So shadows are the dark parts. So if you have them more and then you apply this effect, then it's gonna work very well. But otherwise it looks good too. So let's see. Okay, so open Final Cut Pro and click on the color board option. So this option is available in Final Cut 10.4.3. So you can go to color board and then you can add some shadows. So how can you add shadows? You can increase the shadows and just like make it look darker. That would help the effect to look more good. So this is not possible with the previous version of Final Cut Pro. If you want to do that, then you have to add some plugins like Color Finale or some other. So this is the built-in color board, and that's why it's pretty easy in the 10.4.3. So now we can move on to click on this and click on color curves. So now we'll see a curve. We want the Luma curve. You can add point here, point in the middle, and point up right here. This is the highlights. The middle one is midtones, and the last one, at the bottom, that is the shadows. So you can just take the last point to the corner, which is this one. You can just take it up and you can see the effect is already happened. Don't just go too mad with this. Okay, make it look like good, that is pleasing to the eyes. So make your curve look like this, and after that you can also tweak the shadows a little bit, and now you have it right here. So this scene is not suitable, but you can tweak it. You can take down the saturation, go to the color board and go to the colors and take the shadows, the black point, to other color, and this effect works really good. So this is just example on one clip. If you want to do this to the whole scene or the whole timeline, then you have to add an adjustment layer to your Final Cut Pro, which if you want I can teach you, but if you do not want, then I'm not going to teach. Okay, so you can do the same to the next one. We have it right here, and you can also take this down. Okay, now we can tweak it like in the color board. Okay guys, I'm gonna tell you this thing. Just getting the shadows upwards doesn't look the same as this. You can see the difference. So this is pretty much the tutorial. Okay, make sure to follow me on Instagram, which is _freely. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.